Hi guys, this is a video about the home studio setup that we currently have here. It's a basic home studio setup and we will go through all the elements. Let's start with the desk. As you can see, it's a pretty standard desk. It's quite big, which is good. The monitors are also big, so it holds them quite okay. What I've done, I've mounted my laptop on the back of the desk. As you can see, the cables are pretty neat, and the transformers, as you can see, they are mounted on the laptop holder. Look at this. There are not so many cables. As you can see here, that's the audio card, and there's those are the cables from the monitor. On the walls, as you can see, there is a little bit of acoustic treatment. It's from EQ Acoustics. It's quite nice. It was mounted one year ago almost, and it still holds just fine. On the left part, we have a mic stand. I keep this on the mic so it won't get dust inside the capsule. So we have here a studio condenser microphone, Rode NT1000. It's mounted without a shock mount, but believe me, from what I've used it so far, it's just fine. It's pretty basic. It has a ring and you screw it on the stand. The stand has an extendable boom arm, and this thing right here, which the pop filter is mounted on, I've created that from the old mic stand. As you can see, this is a boom arm. Basically what I've done, I've trimmed the end here, so now it's a little bit shorter than it was, and as you can see, now it looks neat. This is how it looks on the side. Okay, the stand is from Gravity. It's quite good. I use some sandbags. To be honest, the base is quite heavy. You normally won't need sandbags, but I've added them just because I had them, and it is very stable right now. So this is how it looks. This is the mic stand. Obviously it connects with XLR cable to the audio interface. Okay, moving on. As you can see, the biggest things here are the studio monitors. They are M Audio BX8D3, the third generation. They are quite good. I'm happy with them. The sound, it's okay, and for the price range, believe me, you won't be able to find anything better than this. And they are mounted on some pads, foam pads. This helps reduce the vibrations coming from the 8-inch cone on the desk, and they were not very expensive, so I would recommend them. The audio interface we have here, it's a PreSonus Studio 68C, C from USB-C, which it's used to connect it to the computer. Okay, and I would say this is a good interface, especially because you get it with Studio One DAW, which you can see here. It's the artist version, and normally it will cost about £85 or something like that, but you get it free with the Studio 68C, which is a great deal in my opinion. So yes, now that we are here focused on the DAW, I use Studio One artist version. I used to have Studio One Prime, which was the free version, but after I bought the audio interface, then the artist version was like an upgrade which I had for free, so it was a quite a good deal. As you can see on under the monitor, you can see my phone. It's currently charging. I have a wireless charger there. Again, this is quite nice because I'm get to work on my projects and also charge the phone in the same time. The monitor, it's an HP 27FW. It's quite good. It's HD, is not 4K, but that wouldn't matter because the graphics card that I have, I don't think it's 4K anyway, so doesn't matter, to be honest. As you can see, it's quite a good image. I have a 5-pound Advent keyboard. Why? Because I bought a wireless one and I don't have that many slots, and for some reason the wireless keyboard doesn't work well with an USB hub. Don't ask me why, but it's just so. And here is a thing that I really like. It's a mouse, obviously, but as you can see, actually as you can hear, it's very silent, very silent. I really like that. It's from Logitech and it's M220. I would recommend that. Okay guys, so this is the setup that we currently have here. It's a pretty basic setup, but it's nice. It works well. For a home studio, I would say it's more than enough, and you can do a lot of stuff with it. Thank you for watching this video, and we will update you soon if anything changes. Bye.